Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add double lines dash arrow in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu. Select the shape drop down menu and choose the line arrow shape. Then draw the arrow. You can draw this arrow horizontally or vertically. Now I am draw horizontally. Press and hold the shift on our keyboard. Select the arrow shape. Go to the shape format menu. Select the format shape option. Then choose the fill and line option. Enable the line. You can change the color. Now I am make color black. Increase the white. Then select the compound type option. Choose double. Select the dash type drop down menu and select the dash. Then close the panel. Now we can see we add double line dash arrow easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.